We'll be covering the installation of Rustbuster's rear cross member for Jeep's TJ Wrangler. Before you begin, if at any point you are uncomfortable with any of the processes, we strongly suggest you seek out the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the required tools listed, and ensure you follow all the manufacturer's safety precautions and operations while using them. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards, such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting, and remove any fire hazards from the work area. Step 2. Lift your vehicle and support its rear axle with jack stands for driver and passenger sides. Step 3. Remove your rear bumper and remove the two body mount bolts and bushings with a 16mm socket. Retain the bushings as they'll be used later. Step 4. Cut and remove the rear crossmember as close to the frame rails as possible. Depending on your level of experience, you may want to cut just outside the frame rail to avoid damaging the frame. This will require you to remove any excess metal, such as welds, from the frame rails. Step 5. Test fit the part by attempting to push the part into place and over the remaining frames. The part may require force to fit flush with the frame. Take note of any difficulties and cut away any obstructions. Ensure the two body mount bushing holes in the part line up with the body mount holes in the vehicle's body. Step 6. If you wish to coat the entire part, coat the part with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation at this time. Replace the part and tack weld or clamp it into place to prevent it from moving later. Step 7. Remove any remaining potential fire hazards on both the vehicle and surrounding area. Following proper welding procedures, begin welding the part onto the frame rails. 100% weld around all edges. Step 8. Begin reassembling your vehicle by reinstalling the body bolts and body mount bushings with a 16mm socket. Reinstall your rear bumper. Reinstall your gas tank cords and tubes. Reconnect your battery, and you're done.